children, which topic we will do today? Mensuration part 2. Okay. Now, I'll discuss in this video how to find perimeter of a rectangle. Actually, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the sides of a polygon. Which polygon I'm considering here? Rectangle. Okay. What is rectangle? Rectangle opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. Rectangle has length and width or breadth. Rectangle is a two-dimensional polygon with 4 straight sides. How to find perimeter of rectangle? A plus B plus C plus D, which is 2 into length plus width or breadth. 2 into length plus width or breadth. Okay, both are the same. Width and breadth are the same. Okay. Finding the perimeter of a rectangle. Find the perimeter. Here, lengths are 5 cm, breadth is or width is 3 cm. So what is perimeter? You have the distance around the object. We will add everything. 5 cm. We will add both length and width. So 5 cm plus 3 cm plus 5 cm plus 3 cm will give 16 cm. What is the perimeter formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle? 2L plus 2W or 2 into L plus W, both are the same. Perimeter equal to length is what? 5 cm. 2 into 5 cm plus width is 3 cm. 2 into 3 cm. That will give 10 cm plus 6 cm, which is equal to 16 cm. Finding the perimeter of a rectangle. What are the steps followed? Find the length and the width. First step is find the length and width. Step 2, substitute then evaluate. Step 3, write the units. What is the step 1 here? Find the length and width or breadth. Step 2, you substitute then evaluate. Step 3, write the units. What is the length here? 20 meter. Breadth is or width is 8 meter. So length is length and breadth. Length is parallel and equal, and breadth is also or width is also parallel and equal. So 2 into length, perimeter formula, 2 into length plus 2 into width. What is the length here? 20. So 2 into 20 meter plus 2 into 8 meter. 2 into 20 is 40 plus 2 into 8 16. 40 plus 6 is 56. Then after 56 you have to write the unit. What is the unit here? M. M is meter. 56 meter is the answer. Perimeter of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. P is equal to A plus B plus A plus B. Congruent means 90 degree. Okay. P is equal to A plus B plus A plus B. Example, if A is equal to 3 units and B is equal to 5 units, perimeter is 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 because opposite sides in rectangle are equal and parallel. Perimeter is 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 is 16 units. Okay. Perimeter of rectangle solved examples. P is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. P is equal to 17 plus 8 plus 17 plus 8, which is equal to 50 feet. 2 perimeter is 2 into length plus width. Well, this is the formula. Or you can just add everything. That's also you can get perimeter. 17 plus 8 plus 17 plus 8, 50 feet. Perimeter equal to 2 into length plus width or breadth. 2 into length plus width. What is the length here? 17 feet and width is 8 feet. So 2 into 17 plus 8, 25. 2 into 25 is 50 feet. Perimeter is 50 feet. Some more solved examples. Find the perimeter of rectangle with length of 17 feet and width of 8 feet. What is the formula? 2L plus 2W. Perimeter equal to 2L plus 2W. What is length? 17 feet. Breadth is 8 feet. So 2 into 17 feet plus 2 into 8 feet. So 34 feet plus 16 feet equal to 50 feet. Okay. Some more examples here. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose length and breadth are 150 centimeter and 1 meter respectively. What is the length given? 150 centimeter. Breadth is 100 centimeter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Okay. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into length breadth or 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Take 2 common outside. Right? In the bracket length plus breadth. So what is the length here? 150 centimeter. What is the breadth? 100 centimeter. So we'll substitute 2 into 150 plus 100 will give 2 into 250 will give 500 centimeter. Or if you want to convert to meter, we'll divide by 100 because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So you have to convert to meter. 500 centimeter divide by 100. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 500 centimeter equal to 500 by 100 meter equal to 5 meter. Perimeter is 5 meter. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangle. Just find perimeter here. Area I will discuss when I do the next video. Okay. Find the perimeter. Perimeter formula is 2L plus 2W. What is the length given? Length is 8 feet and width or breadth is 5 feet. So 2 into 8, 16 plus 2 into 5, 10. 16 plus 10 equal to 26. Okay. 26 feet. Don't forget to write the unit. Unit is feet here. Now some exercise assignment questions are given you. You have to find the perimeter of the following rectangles. First, there are how many rectangles? 3 here. Then 6 here. All this you have to try yourself, children. If you don't get, you can call me and ask. Okay. Okay. We'll continue the next part in the next session.